Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook better rice. Achieving perfectly fluffy and delicious rice might seem tricky, but with a few simple techniques, you can master it every time. We'll go over the fundamental steps that make all the difference, from preparing your grains to the final resting period. Get ready to transform your everyday meals with consistently excellent rice, making it a highlight rather than just a side dish. It's easier than you think to elevate your cooking. First, let's talk about preparation. Always rinse your rice under cold running water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, preventing stickiness and ensuring separate, fluffy grains. Next, the water-to-rice ratio is key. For most white rice, a good starting point is 1.5 to 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. Using a consistent measuring cup will help you achieve perfect results every single time, no guesswork involved. Once your rice is rinsed and measured, combine it with the appropriate amount of water in a pot. Bring it to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for about 18 to 20 minutes. Resist the urge to lift the lid, as this traps the essential steam needed for even cooking. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for another 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in perfectly cooked grains. Finally, the last step for truly excellent rice. After the resting period, gently fluff the rice with a fork. This separates the grains and releases any remaining steam, giving you that light, airy texture everyone loves. Your perfectly cooked rice is now ready to serve. It's a wonderful accompaniment to countless dishes. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of rice and add a pinch of salt or a pat of butter for extra flavor. Enjoy your culinary success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.